There is a difference of approximately 48,000 rupees in the basic salary. Friends, some of my friends inquired basically in terms of salary, that is, when a person is appointed as an assistant professor, their salary, and when they are promoted to associate professor, how does their salary differ significantly? So today in this video, we are going to discuss exactly that. When someone is appointed as an assistant professor, what is their grade? What is their initial pay? What will their salary be after including DA? How many years will they stay in level 10? How long will they have to serve in level 11? What are the criteria for level 12 after becoming an associate professor in level 13? And why is there a significant pay difference in level 12? Friends, let's talk in today's video. If a person is appointed as an assistant professor today, they will start at level 10 with a basic salary of 57,700 rupees. Let me first inform you that in level 10, an assistant professor must serve for 4 years, in level 11 for 5 years, in level 12 for 3 years, and after level 12, once he reaches age 30, he must serve regularly. So first of all, let me tell you that today when you are appointed as an assistant professor, your salary will be 57,700 rupees. So 57,700 rupees, and if today it is given about 40%, then 40,000 57,700. If we take out 40% of the basic, then it will be about 80,780 rupees. Your current salary will be immediately received. First of all, you will get your salary. Okay, after this, C, the basic payment that you make, D is always applied on that. Basic and D is applied twice in a year, and about 6% that increases every year. So, in the second year, after a 3% increment, your pay will rise to 1,70,600 rupees. Then, another 3% will be added, taking it to 1,76,118 rupees. In the fourth year, after continuous increments, when you reach level 11, the basic salary becomes 68,900 rupees and eventually 3,06,600 rupees. When you have served 5 years in level 11, your basic salary will be 77,600. Upon reach ing level 10, there is an increment of around 5,000 rupees in your basic pay. However, when you advance to level 11 or level 12, the difference is minimal, with only an approximate difference of 1,200 rupees in your basic salary. First year in level 12, in the 10th year you will have this basic. Will receive a basic salary of 82,200 to 84,100 rupees. Now here there is a significant increase in the salary. Levels 10, 11, and 12 pertain to the role of assistant professor. When you become an associate professor from an assistant professor, your level changes to level 13, and the basic pay at this level is 84,100 rupees. If you are promoted directly to associate professor from this basic level, your basic salary increases by approximately 48,000 rupees, reach ing 1,31,400 rupees. Every year the DA increases by around 6%, so in this basic, when you know according to 6% D, for 4 years or 5 years 9 and 3, 12, 13, if you multiply 13 by 6, it becomes 78%. Okay, now observe the current salary. It has been raised by the central government. After this, assume it to be 40%. After 12 years of service, if it increases by another 78%, it totals approximately 118% DA. Your basic salary is now 1,31,400 rupees. D is 118%, making D 1,55,052 rupees. So if 1,31,400 to the basic salary of 1,00,000 rupees 55,052, then an assistant professor earns approximately 2,00,000 rupees 86,452 per month. As an associate professor, salary is around 2.87 lakh rupees. In this video, I explained the salary differences between an assistant professor and an associate professor. As